Chaitra, match the letter.
Capital C, small c.
Very good.
Capital C, small c.
Very good.
Capital C, small c.
Give to Namita. Take.
Capital C, small c. Capital C, small c.
Purvika, trace the letter.
C says K.
Very good.
C says
K.
K. C says K.
Very good.
C says K.
Huh.
C says K.
Huh.
C says K.
Very good. They close your eyes and airbrush the C letter.
C says K.
Next, Namita.
C says K.
Chaitra.
C says K.
Very good. Ruddhi, say and write the C letter. Write. Say the letter name.
C says K.
Very good. Namita.
C says K.
Very good. Chaitra.
C says K.
Very good. Priya.
C says K.
Circle the objects beginning with the sound of the letter C. Say and circle. Cup. You say cup. Next one. Car. Next one. Cat. Show me your book, Samruddhi. Read the object's name. Cup. Huh. Huh. Very good.
Wow!